If you're planning your trip to Japan and wondering about the entry procedure at the airports in Japan, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm gonna break down all the required procedures and show you step by step how to prepare and get them done online before your flight so that when you arrive at the airport in Japan, you can pass all the checkpoints smoothly and quickly. First of all, let's talk about what documents you need to have for entering Japan. You may already be aware that to enter Japan, you need to have two things. One, a visa, and two, a COVID-19 vaccination certificate. Or if you're not vaccinated, you need to have a negative COVID-19 test done within 72 hours before your flight. I will leave all the links in the description below this video so that you can check for the details on each document. So what are the procedures at Japan Airport? When you get off the plane at an international airport in Japan, you'll have to go through 3 checkpoints. The first one is the quarantine check. The second one is the immigration check, and the last one is the customs. It might sound like a lot, but it's not that complicated in reality. And the good thing is you can get these things done online before your flight, just by using your smartphone. In my case, I did all of these procedures 2 days before my flight back to Japan, and it took me less than 15 minutes to get out of all checkpoints at the airport. I'm gonna show you how to do the same thing using a website called Visit Japan Web. So what is Visit Japan Web? Visit Japan Web is a website by the government of Japan, developed to make it possible for those entering Japan to do airport procedures online in advance so that they don't have to wait long time at the airport. So here's how you can complete all the required procedures online using your phone. First, open Internet browser on your phone and search for Visit Japan Web. Select the website that starts with VJW. And this is how it looks like. There's a lot of clear explanations as well as instruction on how to use this Visit Japan Web. To be honest, it was a little bit overwhelming to me at first, but when I started using it, it turned out to be quite simple and very easy to use. Click on the link where it says Use Now to go to the login page. You will need to have a valid email address to sign up and sign in to use this web. A confirmation code will be sent to that email address that you use to sign up so that you can use it to activate your account before signing in for the first time. After you sign in your account, you will need to provide some information of yours, like your nationality, passport number, your name, birthday, and the address where you're going to stay at in Japan. If you have family members traveling together with you, you can register their information on their behalf here. After that, it's time to register your coming trip to Japan. This is where you let them know when you plan to come, your airlines, and flight number. Now, moving on to complete the first procedure, which is the quarantine. This is where you need to provide information on your vaccination or COVID-19 test. In my case, I took a photo of my vaccination certificate and uploaded it to complete this quarantine procedure. After about 20 minutes, I received a notification email about the review, and the status on this website changed to blue. This means we are done with the quarantine procedure. Moving on to the second procedure, which is immigration. This is where you need to provide information like your home address, the purpose of your visit, and duration of your stay in Japan, etc. After you finish this session, the procedure status will turn to registered and you will be able to display the QR code for immigration. It means that we are done with the immigration procedure. Moving on to the third and last procedure, which is customs. This is where you have to answer questions related to customs regulations. By the end of this session, the status will turn to registered right away, and you will also be able to display the QR code for customs. That's it. You've completed all 3 airport procedures even before your flight. Now at the airport in Japan, use your passport and 3 screenshots of the quarantine plus status, the immigration QR code, and the customs QR code to pass all checkpoints with almost no delay by using the electronic gates. If you don't have a smartphone, you can complete these procedures in the traditional way by papers. Prepare a hard copy of your vaccination certificate or COVID-19 negative test and fill out the immigration and customs forms on the plane. Well, I hope this video will help you have a smooth entrance to Japan at the airport. As always, thank you so much for watching and for all of your support. I see you in my next video. Take care and have a nice day.